What fashion controversies are linked to recent celebrity relationship news? These scandals reveal how style choices become flashpoints tied to love lives, sparking debates you won't expect. When celebrity couples show up with coordinated or matching outfits, it often divides public opinion. Fans might find it adorable, signaling unity and affection. Yet critics argue it appears overly rehearsed or even desperate for media attention. For example, a recent power couple's all-white ensemble at a major awards show ignited strong reactions online. This trend illustrates how fashion becomes a symbolic language in relationships, inviting both admiration and skepticism. Celebrities sometimes use fashion to subtly reveal relationship shifts. Wearing a ring on a particular finger or donning a certain color linked to a partner can send messages without words. Recently, a celebrity was spotted wearing a controversial designer piece rumored to be a gift from a new partner, fueling breakup rumors with their ex. These style choices become a form of public communication, blurring lines between personal and public life. Some celebrities leverage their relationship fashion to comment on social issues. For example, wearing a dress featuring a partner's heritage or political symbol can spark conversations beyond romance. While fans appreciate the boldness, detractors accuse them of exploiting relationships for publicity. A recent couple's matching rainbow-themed attire at a Pride event was praised for inclusivity, but also questioned for authenticity. This shows how fashion in relationships can be a powerful but controversial tool. Fashion controversies linked to celebrity relationships reveal much more than style. They expose how public love lives become expressions of identity, power, and statement. Next time you see a couple's outfit, look deeper. For more surprising insights and daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe now.